Hello from Porto. This is Praia de Angeiras Norte and the first beach adventure I do in Porto and Portugal this year. Look at that, the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. So I had a very early flight that departed at 5:45 from Stockholm, Arlanda, and the trip was around 4 hours, and I was here just before 9 a.m. local time. And then I was browsing where should I go first, and then I saw there is a coastline very close to the airport, so I took a local bus, and in less than half an hour I'm on the coast now, and I'm gonna explore several different beaches today. I haven't seen anyone swim in the ocean because it's 13.7 degrees Celsius on this 2nd of February. Yes, I'm doing beach adventures in Portugal in February, so wish me luck because I'm going to need it. I'm gonna be here for 3 days, and I'm gonna be exploring as many beaches as possible here on the coast of Porto. And the funny thing is that, or interesting thing is that it's not my first time here in Porto. I visited this city in 2017 for a few days before heading off to Lisbon actually and exploring the coast there. But back then I didn't have my beach adventures channel on YouTube, so now I wanted to come back and explore. And back then I did lots of sightseeing around the city, not so much beach adventures, even though it was September and it was warm in the sea. So this beach over here, it's located in the neighborhood or municipality called Lavra, but that's part of the Porto region. And I'm gonna be heading now south towards the center, actually towards Matosinhos, and where I'm gonna take the bus to the center to my hotel. So let's then check the water, how it is. It looks inviting, doesn't it? We're gonna have a quick swim, and there are a few fishermen here that are fishing. Here there are some rocks, and I believe this is sandy over here. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm at the Atlantic Ocean. Ooh, that was cold. Wow. Wow, wow, amazing. Beautiful. Oh my god. The waves are so strong. Oh my god, it's so amazing, but also very scary because the waves can bring you in very fast. You can't imagine how I feel now in the legs because this is amazing. Look at this. All right, we go in. 3, 2. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Have you seen that? The waves are huge. And the ocean is so close. Oh my god, let's dive in before I go out because it's so dangerous. So dangerous. But I got in anyway. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's so much adrenaline because these waves here are so strong to see. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Oh my god, here comes the big one. Alright. I think it's enough for this beach. It's not gonna be a few more, but the waves are enormous. So let's just dive in once again. So if you go down, the tide is bringing you inside. So I think I'm good for now. Guess I'm gonna visit a few more beaches later. But this is how the beach looks like, and the waves are so strong today on the 2nd of February. So yes, that was the first beach of the day. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to check the other dangerous wave adventures here, because it's gonna be huge waves from the Atlantic Ocean. Thanks for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.